person who does not have peace is the poorest person on earth. That feeling of well-being, that is the gift of prayer. Where logic fails, there your inner spirit begins to guide. You feel as if there is a force within you that is going to take away all your problems. Life will throw challenges. Life is not going to be a smooth road. Surrender all your troubles, your worries, your problems to God. God, please let me feel your presence. Once you have an eye of something, don't give up. What is it that will leave me fulfilled in life? There was a voice within me that said, all of us want success in life, and all of us will agree that this success must come with inner joy and happiness. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 powerful P's. These 4 P's are life's greatest lessons that will help you not only achieve your goals, but also resolve problems that keep coming into your life over and over again. Perhaps there are certain patterns you have experienced in your life. It's time to dissolve these patterns. Please watch this video right up to the end, because every powerful P or important life lesson is going to take you closer and closer towards dissolving all your past barriers and take you more and more towards that life that you've always wanted to live, or perhaps have always imagined that one day you will live. The first P, and a very important ritual, virtue that all of us must practice, is prayer. You see, in life, there are so many things you will understand and know how to deal with, but then there are so many things that you will feel are out of your control. Where logic fails, there your inner spirit begins to guide. People who on a daily basis connect with this power within themselves through prayer, through their form of communicating to that force, that source, that life energy, they never seem to be giving up on themselves. Talking about my own life, whenever I felt I did not know how to handle things, I did not have a direction, I was doubting, I was confused, I would simply close my eyes, go within and start thinking of this universal power, this force, this divine energy within me, and say, God, please let me feel your presence. This is what I'm experiencing at the moment. Please show me the way. Every time when I practiced prayer in my lowest times, when I was feeling my worst, even though perhaps I would not get solutions to my problems immediately, I would feel as if there is going to be a way out soon. That feeling of well-being, that is the gift of prayer. You feel as if there is a force within you that is going to take away all your problems. And so prayer, my dear friends, is a very powerful thing you can do on a daily basis for yourself. Prayer is your way of letting the universe know, the God power within you know, that you trust that source energy. There are so many times, when we've been told that you have come here and you have free will. That means you can make your choices. You choose to work with your mind, manage it any way you want. That perhaps explains why sometimes things don't go our way, because we are not able to control our mind. It's best to therefore surrender all your troubles, your worries, your problems to God, and then see what happens. Experiment with prayer every day and notice the changes that start taking place in your body. In fact, when I started praying, there was a voice within me that said, just give it to God. Just give it to God. Just give it. Perhaps God within me was speaking and saying, I'm waiting for you. Come. So even if you haven't reached that stage where you feel like surrendering, just try connecting with your own self in silence and observe how do you feel. Observe what comes up in your mind. And if there is something that is bothering you, you say that I wish to give all of this to the higher power within me, and then see what magic unfolds. In fact, prayer is also a way that you can open doors for the universe to speak to you now. So after you spend some time talking to God, talking to your own self, few minutes in silence is what we must practice so that we can actually start experiencing that connection even from the other side. The second P, but a very powerful one, which all of us have to adopt if we want success in life, that is perseverance. You see, life will throw challenges. Life is not going to be a smooth road. There will be highs, there will be lows, there will be honor, there will be dishonor, there will be happiness, there will be sorrow. If you really want something, and if you have identified this is important to me, and this is going to really add value to my life, then hold on to it. Persist until you win. Even our scriptures tell us, once you have an eye of something, don't give up. Persist. Every day, make sure you tell yourself, I'm going to try my best. And when you keep pushing yourself forward in that direction, saying, I'm going to try my best. I'm going to do my best. Every day, say, for today, I will do my best. Every morning, for today, I will do my best. See how days go by, and very soon, you will be with your desire. You will experience the manifestation of your desired goal. That's the power of persistence. But persistence is not possible without positive self-talk. So keep talking to yourself, because every time you talk to yourself, you will experience that power from within you. And whenever you feel like giving up, remind yourself, people who have achieved extraordinary success, they have achieved success despite problems, not in absence of problems. And one quality you see in all of them, they never give up. Even when times are tough, people have written them off. Suddenly, in some time, they come up again. Why? They never gave up. So giving up is never an option. Persist until you win, and you will be rewarded for your persistence. The third P, which is extremely important in life, and without which life is incomplete, that is peace. Peace. A person who does not have peace is the poorest person on earth. Why? Because you see, when you're peaceful, you can use your mind, your skills, your talents, your intelligence, your abilities. There is so much you have to offer, but you can't use any of this when you are angry, when you are upset, you are sad, you are irritated, you feel a sense of lack. You see, when you are restless, you are weak. When you are peaceful, you are strong. That is exactly what all spiritual texts encourage us to practice. Practice remaining in the state of peace. Peace is acceptance. Acceptance of things, not acceptance as in, this is my fate, I am a sinner, or I don't deserve good things. No. Peace is coming from a sense of power and truth and faith that I will be taken care of. What is there? I have power within me. Today there may be disappointment. Tomorrow there will be something better coming my way. I don't want to lose hope. Peace is you telling yourself that I want to stay in this positive state where I can understand my own needs. Every time there is a problem, there is a person who's troubling me, it is not this person. It is my own subconscious mind through this person telling me, hey, I need your love. So whenever you get upset and angry, remind yourself, I am only in power when I am peaceful. And how do I attain this state of peace? I give a lot of love to myself. So every time you feel a negative emotion, touch your heart and say, I love you. I really, really, really love you. I'm always going to be there for you. Everything is going to be okay. All I have to do is put my best. Yoga karmasu kaushalyam. Excellence in action is yoga. That means I have to try my best. Rest, why should I worry about? I will leave it on God. He will take care of it. That is the attitude you must have. That is the attitude you must wake up with. Those are thoughts you must wake up with. That everything will be taken care of. Then automatically you will spend your day in peace. And one more important thing that you can do to attain peace and stay in this state of peace is use a powerful statement. I'm always peaceful. No matter what, I'm always peaceful. So you will notice how you're spending your day also with so much peace and power. The fourth P, which according to me is very, very important. And if you start practicing it, you will notice that changes are there in every area of your life. And that is purpose. If you don't have purpose, then you see the subconscious mind doesn't know what you want. Then you're directionless. So very importantly, you must ensure that you have identified where you want to go in this life journey. What are your goals? What are your needs? What are your desires? If you have not sat down with yourself and understood what fulfills you, what makes you happy, then you see your subconscious mind will go in any direction. After all, it's power without direction. So you have to direct it, give it that power. Sit with yourself in silence. If you haven't done so already, ask yourself, what is it that will really leave me feeling fulfilled from inside? For those of you who are looking to find out about your life purpose, the same practice, same principle. Sit down with yourself in silence. Go within few quiet moments with yourself and you can ask yourself this question, what is it that will leave me fulfilled in life? What have I come here to do? Ask the question. Write down the answers that come. Continue every day up to 30 days. Within 30 days, you will know what you want. Within 30 days, you will have clarity why you have come here. And even if, let's say, you have not been able to figure it out, continue. Remember, because we said persistence is the key. For people who have continued connecting with themselves, asking the question, what is my purpose? What should be my goals? Why am I here? They will start gaining clarity. It's a matter of time. And you see, as you start identifying your purpose, every day, you will be driven from inside. You will know what I need to do. And as Lord Krishna always says, Karmanyevadikaraste. You have a right to perform action. In fact, inaction is not good for us. And if you slip into inaction, if you lack motivation in the day, then you see life will lack that sweetness that we want, that power that we want. So from today, spend time with yourself and ask yourself, what is it that you need to experience? Write a positive statement around these goals. And every day, engage with these goals either by writing them down or repeating them to yourself. And then you see how these 4 P's, when they come together, will not only enlighten you towards your best path and journey, you will feel as if you are being guided in this journey. You will not feel alone. Sometimes when you have everything but you feel you're lonely, that's not a good feeling. But these 4 P's will ensure you feel that power from within. You feel inspired to take action. And you will want to give your best to everything, including your loved ones. You will bring so much positivity in your own home that people around you would want to become like you. I hope these 4 P's inspire you to start your own life journey with more power and with this faith that whatever happens is good for you. And if you practice these 4 virtues, these 4 powerful principles, then life will not only be successful outside, you will also experience inner joy from inside. Please let me know in the comments how you enjoyed this video. Here's wishing you all the very best. नमस्ते। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और इस चैनल से आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टिप्स, टूल्स और टेक्निक्स का फ़ायदा उठाना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाएंगे हमारे वीडियोस के और फिर हम एक साथ एक दूसरे को इंस्पायर कर पाएंगे।